Hey guys, Scott, your lead tech down here at 80 Motorcycle Tucson. Today we got a video from Indian on how to change the oil on your FTR. Now I have the luxury of having a lift like this where it keeps it upright, drains all the oil. At home you're going to probably be changing it on the side stand. When you do that, you're not going to get all the oil out. The oil is going to be hot. Please be careful with the drain plugs that when you're torquing them down, that you do not roll it off the side stand. Stay tuned for some tech tips at the end, but check out the video.
To change the engine oil and filter on your FTR 1200, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat, level surface. Start the engine and allow it to warm up at idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Stop the engine. Remove any debris near the engine oil fill plug and remove the plug. Clean the area around the oil drain plugs. Place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the pan to prevent the splashing of oil. Remove both drain plugs and allow the oil to drain completely. While the oil is draining, remove the engine oil filter. Using a clean, dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the crankcase and make sure the old filter O-ring is completely removed. Lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil. Ensure the O-ring is in good condition. Install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then turn an additional 3/4 of a turn. Inspect the drain plug and sealing surfaces. Install new sealing washers onto the drain plugs. Notice, the sealing surfaces on the drain plugs and crankcase should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Clean the sealing surfaces and reinstall the drain plugs. Then torque to specification. Wipe up any residual oil on the vehicle. Fill the engine with the recommended amount of oil through the oil fill cap. Reinstall the oil fill plug. Start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Stop the engine and inspect for leaks. Inspect the engine oil sight glass for proper fluid level and add oil as needed to bring the level to the upper mark on the sight glass. Wipe up any residual oil that may have collected on vehicle components. Dispose of the used oil and filter properly. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.
All right, so there you go. That's their video for this. Now, I have the luxury of having this on a lift. I have it upright. I have it complete control. You're going to have it on the side stand. You're going to probably need a second person to check your oil level and stuff like that, just to be safe. A couple notes. These drain plugs are torqued to a specific setting with 1 crush washer. I've had bikes come in. They've got 2 crush washers. That's no good. It could back out. You could lose it. You could drain your oil. You could seize your motor up, and it will leak. Also, when you're using a tool to extract these out, please make sure that they are seated all the way. If you notice from the pictures, I had to do it yourself or send me a message. What do I do now? Well, he got lucky and he was able to get it out. Please be super careful. Make sure these are seated. Do not get them halfway and rip the heads off. Also, to take that oil filter off, you're going to need a specific oil filter wrench. This fits perfect for all our Polaris products. These will work. But here's the problem. When you go to tighten these and you're getting that last little oomph, which, by the way, it's 3/4 of a turn from when it gets snug. These are a little hard to do. These will also crush the oil filter, and then you will lose the flow of your oil through the oil filter, defeating the purpose of having one. So please, use the right tools if you're going to do it yourself, and then enjoy the ride.